I'm HVAC Repair Guy, with 17 years in the field as an installer, technician, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today I am walking you through two top-tier variable speed heat pumps, the Comfortmaker Ion 23 model C5H3V and the York YZV. Looking at physical protection and cabinet design, these two manufacturers take different approaches to protecting the coils. The Comfortmaker C5H3V uses a heavy-duty wire grille coil guard around the outdoor unit. The York YZV uses stamped, slotted steel panels to surround the coil structure. Both protect against debris, but the slotted panel on the York offers full coverage against hail and stray rocks. When winter hits, heating efficiency is measured by the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Comfortmaker C5H3V leads this matchup with an impressive 10.5 HSPF rating. That means higher efficiency and stronger heating performance in cold weather, reducing your monthly electric bills and limiting auxiliary heat strip use. The York YZV comes in with a solid 9.0 HSPF rating. On the cooling side, both units operate up in the 19 to 23 SEER tier, making them exceptional at dehumidification and summer energy savings. Under the hood, both systems utilize variable speed scroll compressors and variable speed outdoor condenser fan motors. A variable speed compressor continuously modulates through an infinite number of speeds to match precise heat loss or heat gain. That steady lower speed operation eliminates indoor temperature swings, keeps humidity under control, and improves air filtration. Noise levels on both inverter-driven units are remarkably low, with the Comfortmaker operating as low as 55 decibels and the York as low as 54 decibels. At around 54 to 55 decibels, both units sound like a quiet dishwasher or background conversation in an adjacent room, making them virtually silent from inside your home. Both units are made in the USA, with Comfortmaker owned by Carrier Global Corporation and York manufactured under the Bosch Home Comfort Group. For real-world installed pricing, a professional installation for the Comfortmaker C5H3V generally ranges between $8,000 and $11,500, depending on tonnage, labor rates, and duct modifications. The York YZV sits in a similar premium bracket, typically running between $8,000 and $14,000 installed. Comparing warranties, both machines carry a standard 10-year parts limited warranty. Comfortmaker backs the C5H3V with a 10-year compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning they replace the entire outdoor unit if the compressor fails within 10 years. York steps up component coverage on the YZV by offering a lifetime compressor limited warranty to the original owner upon registration, if I am recommending one. For a home installation, my vote goes to the Comfortmaker C5H3V. It delivers a significantly higher 10.5 HSPF heating efficiency and combines full variable speed performance with a 10-year full unit replacement warranty, giving you exceptional long-term reliability and lower winter heating costs.